Problem statement: the project centers around developing a Bluetooth Wi Fi controlled seeding and sprinkler robot designed for automating seed planting and irrigation. The main problem addressed is the increasing labor shortages and inefficient water management in agriculture, which necessitate automated, precision based farming solutions. The proposed system aims to provide a smart, cost effective, and environmentally friendly method for seed distribution and irrigation control, contributing to sustainable and resource efficient agricultural practice. Objective: developing an autonomous agri-sense for precision irrigation and seeding, address water scarcity with a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution, utilize robotics and renewable energy in agriculture, supports global efforts to enhance food production efficiency while reducing environmental impact, is equal to emphasizes innovation and sustainability in agricultural practices. Let us first begin with a brief overview of the project. Traditional farming methods often involve intense manual labor for tasks such as seeding, watering, and soil preparation. These processes are not only time consuming but also physically demanding. Our project addresses these challenges by integrating embedded systems, wireless technology, and automation into a single robotic platform. By using a Bluetooth-enabled control system, farmers can operate the robot remotely through a mobile phone, reducing physical strain and increasing farming efficiency. Now, let's move on to the components used in building this robot. At the heart of the system lies the Arduino UNO microcontroller, responsible for receiving commands. Bluetooth modules, such as the HC05, are used to establish a wireless link between the robot and the mobile application. DC-geared motors drive the wheels of the robot, providing smooth and stable movement across different terrains. The motors are controlled using L298 motor drivers that translate the microcontroller's signals into high-power outputs suitable for motion, and a servo-driven seed dispenser to automate seed sowing at fixed intervals. The entire system is powered by three 3.7V Li-ion rechargeable batteries arranged in series, providing stable and sufficient voltage for prolonged operations. Now, let's discuss the operational features, starting with the sprinkling system. The DC water pump draws water from a small tank and passes it through a mounted sprinkler. Using the mobile application, the farmer can easily start or stop watering with a single button press. This targeted irrigation method ensures the field receives adequate water without wastage, thereby promoting better plant growth while conserving resources. Next comes robot navigation and movement control. The robot's movements, forward, backward, left, and right, are fully controlled via Bluetooth through a mobile application. Using the app's intuitive interface, the user can easily direct the robot's path in real time. When the forward button is pressed, the robot moves straight ahead. Pressing back moves it in reverse. Left and right buttons steer the robot accordingly. This flexibility allows the farmer to manually steer the robot as needed based on the field's shape and size. The robot's response is smooth and immediate due to the reliable communication link established via Bluetooth technology. Moving ahead to seeding functionality. The robot features a seed tray connected to a servo-operated dispenser. As the robot moves forward, the servo motor periodically drops seeds at predetermined intervals. This method ensures consistent seed spacing, which is critical for uniform crop growth and optimizing land usage. Seeding automatically adjusts according to the robot's movement commands, offering both precision and efficiency. Through all these combined functionalities, the robot simplifies farming operations significantly. Instead of manually walking the fields to seed, water, or dig, farmers can now simply use their mobile phones to operate the robot efficiently. This system saves time, reduces labor intensity, increases operational precision, and optimizes resource usage like seeds and water. In future enhancements, this project can be upgraded by integrating GPS navigation for autonomous movement across large fields. In addition, AI based crop health monitoring using cameras and sensors could provide real time feedback on plant growth and disease detection. Further, connecting the system to the cloud would allow farmers to store, analyze, and access operational data remotely. Finally, adding solar panels could make the robot even more sustainable by reducing its dependency on battery charging from conventional sources.